Hello viewers, this is Too Fast here. In this video, I will be upgrading the low beam light on this 2016 Honda Civic from the regular halogen lights LED lights from the company Auxbeam. This is their FS6 series. Each light is rated at 35 watt and it puts out 3500 lumen. The color output is 6500 Kelvin, so it gives you a nice pure white color. Let me open this up and I'll show you what these LED lights look like. Here we have the warranty information. This is the customer support information. Here is the product manual. Comes with a sticker, and this is the FS6 LED lights. Here's a look at this FS6 LED lights. On one side we have two Cree LED chip. On the other side we have two more Cree LED chip. The overall construction is all aluminum. Here we have a rubber gasket to keep moisture out of the headlight housing or fog light housing. At the bottom here we have this heat sink and an integrated fan for cooling. Inside there's also the LED driver to provide constant current to the LED chip. On this side we have the wire that comes out. And this light that I have here is the H11 bulb size. Now I will connect my 12 volt power supply to this light and turn it on so you can see what the light output looks like. One thing to note is that the light is polarity sensitive. So if you plug it in, it doesn't turn on. Flip the connector to make sure it has a correct polarity. Looking at the front of the headlight housing, on the left side here is the turn signal. In the middle, this is the projector lens for the low beam. Over here on the right, this is the high beam. We'll be replacing the H11 halogen light bulb with the Auxbeam FS6 LED lights. Let me first show you what the low beam looks like with the halogen bulb. Look directly behind the headlight housing. And here is the H11 halogen bulb. First thing you'll need to do is remove the connector on the light bulb. Push in the plastic tab at the bottom. Next we'll rotate this light bulb and pull this out. Now we'll install the new LED lights. Connect the factory connector to the LED lights. It's installed in the projector headlight housing. It has a very nice cutoff. I do still recommend that you properly aim the headlight. So if you have any issues with the light being too high or too low, you can adjust it and make sure you have proper light output and you're not blinding oncoming traffic. Now I will be doing a second video to show you how to properly aim your headlights. So once that video is available, I will link it at the end of this video. If you want to know where you can pick up these aux beam LED lights, I will include the link in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, leave one in the comment section. And don't forget to click on the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.